Amazing facts about birds, explore their unique characteristics and behaviors. Birds exhibit incredible diversity, with over 10,000 species found worldwide, each with unique traits. Some birds, like the Arctic tern, migrate thousands of miles annually, showcasing their endurance and navigation skills. Bird song varies greatly among species, with some birds mimicking sounds from their surroundings, including human voices. Adaptations, like webbed feet in ducks and powerful talons in eagles, help birds thrive in their habitats. Birds play vital roles in ecosystems, from pollination to pest control, highlighting their importance to nature. Join us for more fascinating insights into the avian world.